Hello and welcome to video number 16 on this channel, and here we go with this red light runner. And now we go on in another village. You are allowed to do 50 km per hour.
Trottel, Alter, so ein Trottel.
And this video is full of people who don't have any time, like this van driver here.
Das waren 180 Minuten, glaube ich, und wir haben 120 geguckt.
Ja.
At least he apologized here, but here you can see that it is very important to enter the road carefully if you can't see the whole traffic. This situation here is the best example as well. Here we watch out for the car in front. Our dashcam guy named this situation here 3 in 1. Cut the cyclist, run the red traffic light and obstruct the tram. Our dashcam guy Thomas has priority of way. Something was strange here, wasn't it? The truck driver has a destroyed tire on his trailer. Our dashcam guy was able to draw the truck driver's attention a few minutes later. He said that he didn't notice it. But also in this situation here, somebody didn't notice something very important. The handbrake. There's nobody sitting in the car. Our dashcam guy ML driver gets out here to pull the handbrake so that the car at least stops at this point. He said they didn't have time to look for the driver here, but at least they secured the car. Here we start with the standing picture, and once again everything is wrong here. The traffic light here is already yellow. And if you have to do an emergency stop at the traffic light, you have done something very wrong, but the safety distance of the drivers behind this car is clearly too small as well. Apart from the fact that they would have run the red traffic light, they couldn't have prevented an accident without swerving to the turning lane. Here we are doing 230 km per hour. Just one word, why? Red traffic lights, always amazing in Germany. In this situation, the oncoming truck driver is pushing our dashcam guy on the pedestrian walkway, which is not allowed in Germany for sure. But even the police is using the pedestrian walkway here. That there are not enough parking spots for truck drivers is a common issue on the German autobahn. This truck driver here is forced to reverse back to the autobahn. And also this Mercedes driver is not able to get through the parking spot, so he's driving as a one-way driver back to the autobahn. This here is not a dangerous problem, but an annoying one. The cars are not able to keep the intersection clear.
klüger handeln können. Ich stecke nicht in den Grind und mir tut dann letzten Endes leid. Da ist ganz eindeutig geschlampt worden mit der Warnung. Und man hat die Daten alle rechtzeitig gehabt.
But another common issue is that the cars on the right are getting a green traffic light here as well, and they are also entering the intersection. Also, they absolutely know that they cannot pass here. And this makes the chaos complete here.
Gerade ganz andere Probleme. Der Winter steht vor der Tür, die Temperaturen sinken. Wie sieht es aus?
Ihr wollt aber jetzt nicht weiterfahren.
Nach aktuellen Angaben aus dem Umweltministerium liegen wir bei 80 bis 90%. Bis Ende November soll das zerstörte Gasnetz komplett repariert sein. Heißt aber...
Our dashcam guy has a green traffic light here.
Okay, und dann soll halt die Marina schon mal rausspringen.
But this is not the only time other road users are acting like he isn't here.
Geht's noch?
Germans are always getting confused at two-lane roundabouts, but it's almost impossible to do it wrong with the solid lines here.
Ey, Digga, willst du mich verarschen?
Yes, I think he's kidding you, but he absolutely does not know where he's going and how to turn. But here are some other serious problems while turning as well in this situation. And also in this situation we watch out for the cyclist on the right hand side. Our dashcam guy and the driver of the white Mercedes on the left helped him up. He was alright and he was able to continue his ride. And in this situation we can see some nice driving behavior. Our dashcam guy noticed that the truck driver would like to enter this road. He leaves enough space for him, and it can be as simple as that. Here we are doing 230 km per hour again. For sure the truck driver has to check his mirrors correctly here, but it's not easy to estimate high speeds in the mirrors correctly. And as a German living in Germany, I can tell you, yes, we have no speed limits, but doing 230 km per hour in traffic situations like this, it's way too fast. The signs on the right side are showing that there will be a construction site and that the left lane will be ending. You are allowed to do 80 km per hour, that means our dashcam guy Rainer is still driving way too fast, but there will always be somebody driving faster. And I try to calculate the speed here with the road markings and he's doing 176 km per hour. That's almost 100 km per hour faster than allowed. And in this situation there's some more reckless driving going on. He's overtaking in front of the corner. He can't see if there will be oncoming traffic or not. And a few seconds of time saved do not justify this risk. So please take your time and always stay safe. And if you like this video, feel free to subscribe to the channel and maybe watch another video from this channel. And I will say thanks for watching. See you the next time and bye.